Hey guys, Blender Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the InPods Little Phone in the macaron edition. So this is just considered one of the smallest speakers around. It's really small. Once I take it out of the box, you guys are gonna understand what I'm talking about. This was actually recommended by a subscriber for me to check out, so thank you so much for that. So looking at the box, we have the macaron edition here. We have the blue color, yellow, pink, and green. So obviously I got this in the blue color because I really love blue. Most of the accessories I have are all in the blue colorway. So just looking at the box, we can see as basic information. On one side we have small body, big voice, and it also supports phone call. It has easy switch between Chinese and English as well, and a simple one-click button. Like I said, I got this in the blue colorway. On the other side, we have InPods Little Phone TWS, and we also have the same information that we had on the other side. Here is basically the information about the speakers themselves. We have the name Little Phone. So this lasts for about 2 hours, and it has 400 milliamp power, and it's also Bluetooth 5.0 as well. We also have the dimensions written here. So let's just open this up. So opening it up, we have the speakers themselves. As you guys can see, like I said, this is really small. I don't know if you guys can see this from the video, but this is really small. It's a really small speaker. So underneath it, we have the charging port. This charges with a micro USB. We also have the power on and power off port, and we have the indicator light up here for when it's charging. So let's put this to the side and check what's inside the box. So inside the box, we have the micro USB charger. We have a short one as always, and we have a holder for the speaker itself, and we have basic information about the InPods Little Phone. So just like the other InPods themselves, this comes in the macaron edition, also the simple edition. It also comes with the 11 and the 11 Pro edition as well. So we have the information in both Chinese and English. So looking at the build of the speaker, it has a plastic feel. It has a plastic build, but it does feel really solid. I mean, for the price, it looks really good. When you compare this to other speakers or other devices, you can see it's really small. I'm just going to compare this to my iPhone 7. You can see the size difference. This is really tiny between the both of them. You can look at this, and comparing this also to my other speaker, the Unbox speaker, you can look at the size difference. It's really tiny compared to other speakers. So we are gonna do a sound test for you guys to see what the sound is like, if it's good for the price. I don't actually expect the sound to be really good, but I'm just gonna connect this up pretty quick. So we're gonna switch it on right here.
Power on. Pairing.
See, it's a power on pairing. So we're gonna pair this up to a device, and we're gonna listen to some music. Okay,
Connected.
so we're gonna listen to some copyright free music and see what the sound is like, if it's any good or if it's not good at all. But I'm just gonna look at the bass and the treble of this, and we're gonna see if it's worth buying for anyone, or if you should just add a little bit more for a better sounding speaker. I don't expect the sound to be too loud, but I'm gonna leave it for you guys to decide. So that was the highest volume. Actually, it was better than I thought. It was more impressive than I thought. So I'm gonna put this in the medium volume for you guys to see what the sound is like. So this is the medium volume. it's not as loud as the highest quality volume, but the medium volume is also pretty good. So what can I say about this? I think it's really good for the price. I mean, it's really small, it's really portable. You can put this in your pocket, you can carry this around, you can tie it around your hands, and you can just take it with you. The bass is really good in the highest volume, and the treble is also really good. In the medium volume, it's not too loud, it's just by the way, but I think overall, when you look at this device, I think it's something that you should consider buying. Also, with the fact that it comes in various colors, and the InPods line are really good. When you think about the InPods 12s, the InPods 12S, the InPods 13, the InPods line have good sound quality and tend to last a longer time. I'm gonna use this for a while, then I am gonna give you an updated review about the battery life, how long it takes to charge, if the bass keeps up over time, or if the speaker starts to crack and has little problems over time. But if this is good, then I would definitely recommend it. For now, because I just did an unboxing and a little bit of review, I cannot completely recommend this for anyone to go out and get yet. But after I've done a review after 2 weeks, then I will tell you guys if my recommendation for you guys is to go pick this up, or for you guys to just sleep on it and go find something better. Because I think one of the best speakers personally is the Unbox speaker. I've been using it for almost a month now. I unboxed it over a month ago. I'm gonna drop a link for that down so you guys can check that out. I think the Unbox speaker is one of the best. It has a really incredible bass and a really incredible treble. But if you're a fan of the InPods line, and if you're on a budget, because this comes in at about, I think, $10 or $15, $10, $15 or so. If you're on a budget and you really want a portable speaker that you can carry around with you and do anything you want, then I definitely will say the InPods, from what I have seen over this short period of time, sound really great. And like I said, you can pick it up in any color you want. It's up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.